This is Emma and Chan. Chan has got a smartphone as a birthday present.
Look, I'm using WhatsApp now. This is so great. The whole class is using it.
That's fantastic! I know it already. In WhatsApp you can send photos, messages and videos.
Chan is getting a message.
Hey! This is me on that photo. I'm driving to the supermarket with my mom. Where do you get this picture?
Max sent it to me. But actually, he's not allowed doing it.
Huh? Why is not allowed to?
Let me explain. We have learned it in school recently. Everybody has rights. That also means rights in personal photos.
What does that mean?
If you take a photo of several people, you must ask everyone on that picture whether you can send or post it on the internet. In the case that somebody on this photo is against it, you are not allowed to do it.
Oh well, okay. And what about your favorite soccer player, Chan? Is it also illegal?
If I watch a soccer match in the stadium, I may take a photograph of him and also publish it. But if I meet him privately in the city and want to take a picture with him, I should ask him first. Okay, good to know if I meet my favorite player in town and I would like to take a selfie with him. But if you are on an event with lots of people, for example, a concert or something like that, in that case you can take photos and upload these on the internet.
As well, there are other people on this photo, but you are not allowed to highlight a specific person. Look, Emma, do you know the Eiffel Tower in Paris?
Of course. Why?
Because you can photograph and share the Eiffel Tower by day. But the Eiffel Tower has a light show at night. In this case, it counts as an artwork, so you can't share it.
That is really much I need to know. I'm just considering. My parents also have photos of me on their WhatsApp profile. Are their contacts able to see my parents' profile picture?
Yes, but no worries. Speak to your parents first. At the age of 6, you've got a voice in this matter. If you don't want this, you have the right that the profile photo will be deleted.
Okay, thank you, Chan. Now I know that I first need the permission of somebody for sharing a photo, and more important, that I have the right to speak out whether someone can take a picture of me or not. Due my picture. I will talk to Max about it tomorrow. I'm sure that wasn't meant to be bad.
This is a great idea. I will delete it right now on my phone. See you tomorrow, Emma.
Bye, Chan. See you.